Hey YouTube, welcome to my channel, and this time we're invited to the Summer Solstice Drive and Eat event up at Tan Hill. So we are taking the Jag this time. We're going to meet up though with my nephew, whose Tesla went into the Porsche event in my previous video. He's now bought a Cayman S. So we're going to meet him and then we're going to drive off to the starting point. And we're taking you guys with us. Just waiting now for my nephew to come and join us in his Cayman S. So I thought what better place to meet is at Porsche here in Hull, and then we'll go from here to the starting place, which is in Morrison's car park in Boroughbridge. There he is at long last in his Cayman. Hey up, are we ready? Well, yeah. So I'll leave then. Get your speed down. Right, follow me. Right, let's go. And we're off. So I've got another Jag F-Type, 911s, couple of Mercedes AMG GTs, I've got Aston Martins, even an Honda S2000. Fantastic. Some great cars on this drive. Far from the destination now, just kind of had a line out. That's behind me and that's in front of me. You might get the sun there. Yeah, so just moving on to Tan Hill at this moment. Let's go. Well, here we are, we made it, and just the car in front of me, I don't know if I got that on video, but he just actually clipped a sheep. I had to actually swerve to miss two different sheep on that run. What a road that is, unbelievable. But we've all made it, so all the cars are all lined up down here now, and anywhere they can get in actually, because it's pretty busy up here, and it's a little bit windy, so hopefully you can hear me. Go that way, it might cover it. But yeah, I mean, look at some of the views that you can get up here. Superb. Right, we're going to have something to eat and a couple of refreshments, and then we've got a ride home to look forward to yet. View from the top. This is awesome, guys. Here we are, Summer Solstice at the highest inn in Great Britain, Tan Hill. Beautiful. So that's it, guys, it's short and sweet. My first proper drive out in the F-Type. Now, yeah, that was a hell of a drive. The roads here are basically kart tracks, but they're pretty good on the tarmac, and you can, yeah, have a bit of spirited driving, shall we just say. but of course we never once broke the speed limit. So yeah, it's just me and Lee heading home now, and we're going to head off into the sunset. As we can see the sun going down in the distance on this summer solstice eve 2023. Till next time guys, stay safe.